Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for showing your love in my previous haul videos. As you all know, the great Indian sale is ongoing on Amazon.com. So I could not resist myself and bought some more beauty and makeup products from Amazon website. I'm just so excited to show all of them to you right now, right here. So without much further ado, let's get started. If you are not a subscriber or you're new here, do subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you all so much. So the very first step that I have picked is the two different earring sets. Look at them, they are so pretty, they are so sassy, and they are so much, in vogue kind of a fashion. So there are two different kind of sets. So this first one is a fashion earring that I have bought. It has around 6 different kind of earpieces. 3 of them are in loop forms. I so much love this one in the shell form, and this one with the bamboo detailing, and this one the old favorite tassel kind of detailing over here. So if you know me, I really love wearing loop earrings. I don't like to put a lot of earrings, but if I'm wearing something, I prefer loops over anything else. So apart from loop earrings, they also have this small tops also over here. I think this is very ideal for somebody who have a lot of piercing on their ears and they would like to adorn their ears. So for those purposes, the small tops are really cute. Though I am not a very regular user of the small tops, but maybe I'm definitely gonna try this one in star and the other one as well. So the second earring, let me show you, is this beautiful number again. They are piece of 6. I have already, I'm already wearing one of these over here. Look at it, such a beautiful detailing it has a multiple kind of loops. They're all kind of attached together, so you don't have to bother much. Again, there are like 4 more loop kind of earrings in this. 2 big, 2 small, another one is bigger one which I'm wearing, medium size, and there's a small, this is a double, but they have a lot of different sets in this range. This is from Jewel Galaxy, and this one is something I really like because A, it has pearls, B, it has a lot of loops. So this is the second one. In case if you are wondering, I'll put all the product name, details, links, etc. in the description box below to check it out from there. So the next product that I picked is this another bottle of Insight Cosmetics Ultra Thin Second Skin Long Wear Foundation. If you have seen my previous Amazon haul video, I have tried this foundation for the first time. The shade I picked was different, was some sand rose something. So this time I thought of trying a different shade, and the shade that I have picked is Warm Base. I'm not wearing this right now. I'm yet to try because it has recently come, so I'm gonna put it in quarantine for some time before I start. Let me know if you want a quick try on, try Tuesday kind of video for the same. Yeah, so the next product is also from Insight Cosmetics. I somehow kind of like the finishing of the previous foundation, so this time I picked this very interesting looking eyeshadow base primer from their website. It's very cheap, it's just ₹99 for this small pot. The reason why I picked this is because, as you know, if you have noticed, I have a lot of dark circles around my eyes, maybe due to lack of iron, lack of sleep, or over stress. But and that's the reason I normally prefer a good concealer or something. So, and as you know, I don't like to wear a lot of high intensity kind of makeup. I like to keep my makeup light, and I've been using this eyeshadow primer from BU Cosmetics. So this time I thought of trying this one. This is pretty cheap, and this brand is making quite some waves. A lot of people are saying good things about Insight Cosmetics, so I thought, let me try this one. Yeah, so the next piece of makeup item is something that I do not use frequently. In fact, I use it very rarely. Yes, I'm talking about eyelashes. This is a false eyelashes that I picked from this very interesting company called Europe Girl. I have never tried this brand, but I've seen so many products from Europe Girl on Amazon website, so I thought of trying this product this time. Since I have ordered eyelashes, I need an eyelashes glue to stick it on my eyelid, so I have picked up this interesting looking eyelash adhesive from this brand called this claims to be clear white kind of a glue which is waterproof and all. So I thought this will come handy while trying these eyelashes or the previous eyelashes that I have, because I think I've run short of my eyelash glue. So hence I picked this brand. Let me know if you have tried this and how your experience has been. Yeah. And the next product is something very interesting. I have this product initially sent to me by the brand itself, and when I've tried this one, I have found this quite useful. So I'm talking about this very interesting looking Kama Ayurveda insect repellent spray over here. It comes in a very nice spray kind of a bottle, and it is very very handy, especially during the monsoon, this time where dengue is and chikungunya is spreading like anything. So this comes quite handy. This has a herbal Ayurvedic kind of combination as given by the brand, and all you have to do is just carry it in your bag or in your sanitizer or something, and spray this combination on the visible parts of my body like legs, arms, etc. before venturing out. The smell is also very nice, with citronella kind of a smell. If you have used Odomos or something like that, you can relate to the smell. You know what? This is a little expensive. If you think this is like 650 for a small 100 ml bottle, but trust me, this is the kind of precaution I don't want to miss on, especially when I'm indoors as well as outdoors. Well, there are few more products that I have ordered, like hair scrunchies, some masks, etc. But I'm yet to receive them, so maybe I'll show them in some other haul video of mine, or just put them on my Instagram stories. Any which ways, I'm going to try all these different earrings on the try on kind of a haul on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, do check out my Instagram page and follow me there. And if you have any kind of special video request where you want me to try these different makeups as I suggested in this video, in the previous makeup haul video, do let me know. I would be more than happy to do that for you. So well, that's all for my Amazon beauty haul video this time. I really hope that you like this video and you find some of these products interesting and useful. Would you have any kind of questions, query or suggestions, recommendations, do let me know. I look forward to hear from you. Till next time, see you, take care, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care and stay safe. Bye.